So behind me here is a new transmission case for my Case 580 CK backhoe. I went and picked this up. Some of you may have seen on my YouTube shorts. So I initially purchased this. It was about an hour drive for me to go get this. I wish I could have filmed it when I got it, but it was really late. It was like 7 o'clock at night and it was dark. And I got the transmission. I got this for the transmission case. So I got this for the transmission case, not knowing the rest of it. Here, I got this with the rest of it. He couldn't get the loader arms off, and when I got it home and got it unloaded here, my dad actually pointed out that the loader arms are full of any breaks, cracks, or welds. So I'm going to see if I can try putting these loader arms on my Case 580 backhoe. So we pan around this thing here. Look at that cross member there. There's no cracks or breaks or welds there, or on the sides where that cross member goes. And then in addition to having the transmission case, it also has a 3-point hitch. And underneath these hydraulic cylinders, there is an independent PTO. And this is the same transmission that is in my backhoe currently, where it's a power shuttle, 4-speed power shuttle transmission. So this one with the PTO will work from my backhoe. So I'm sure some of you may have seen this before. This is my backhoe. I dropped it off of my dad so I can do the transmission work. Everything currently works and operates the way it should, except it does not have reverse. We come up here, you can see where the front loader has been welded on, right where the cross member mounts. The cross member has been welded. That's been broke before. That's welded on that side. That's all been plated and cobbed together. So it looks like I'll be able to swap loader arms over from this backhoe onto, like, it looks like I'll be able to swap loader arms from that carcass that I picked up to this backhoe, so I can get rid of all of this loader arms. And I might actually have better cylinders, because some of these hydraulic cylinders leak. And then instead of having to repack the cylinders, I'll just swap cylinders over if that's how they end up going. Well, that should wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Can't wait till spring break so I can get this transmission ripped out of this backhoe and fixed up. I'll be taking the backhoe off of this and using this for 3-point implements and PTO work, and then use the backhoe when I need it. I won't get rid of the backhoe, just won't have it on there all the time.